YouTube, Paul Bates here, Bates Outdoor Adventures, and today I really want to talk about renting the coach, what I do to prep the coach, and give you a little background. You know, I started out renting things when I was 16 years old. I worked for U-Haul, and I did that till I was about 23, and then here I am 57 years old, and I'm the rental manager for St. George for a national company, and I rent stuff all over the United States. And I've been doing it now for about 8 years, so it's just a natural fit for me to try and generate some income. Here then is take you through the coach a little bit and do like a what I do. So one of the things I do is I crawl underneath the coach. So I'll get underneath there and I go all the way down and I get on my furniture pad and I just go on my back here and I'm just looking for anything that's loose, any nut, bolt, anything like that, any wires hanging down, anything I didn't see from the last rental. And then I'll crawl under there, you know, grab my U-joint, just grab everything, just pull on it, yank it, and make sure everything's secure and in good shape. So that's one thing I'll do on every rental. So now I want to take you inside the coach and we'll talk about what the few things, you know, like I've had some things go wrong with me on this coach on the last couple rentals, and we'll talk about those real quick. Things I had is this microwave right here. Literally I had to remove these screws right here, and then the two screws that went in the side right here had fallen out and the microwave was just sitting there. That was like 2 or 3 rentals ago. On this last rental, this refrigerator, there's a piece of trim up here that holds the refrigerator in. Well, these guys were up, they told me they're going to the Sierra Nevadas, those roads, they get rocky, and the refrigerator actually started, you know, they noticed that there was a little gap right here from the refrigerator coming out and it was falling forward. Well, we did some investigating and found out that the refrigerator is like a ½ inch too low. And again, I can take this all in for warranty and have it done, or I can just fix it myself. It wasn't that big a deal. And we just put another piece of trim up on top there and screwed it in. But those are all things that happen on these rentals, and you know, it's stuff you got to look for. I'm replacing. So on my coach, I have these little door handles right here, and they go in. It's this one right here. This thing pops in and pops out right here. Well, just about every time it rents, one of those will break. It just does. They're just little plastic pieces and they break. So, and then doors, you're constantly adjusting the doors. Another good example here is all your screws around your doors, because what'll happen is if you go to shut the door, the screws just vibrate back a little bit, and I'll show you which screws I'm talking about. Right here, you just got to take a Phillips screwdriver, go through all of these screws right here, and make sure they're all nice and tight. You just have to do that. That's part of it. Keep HEPA covers on everything, all the pillows, any of the mattresses. Well, it's only got the one mattress there, but it has a HEPA cover on it, so that has to be taken off, cleaned after every rental. And then we put you have to do all the linens and sheets and everything like that. This piece, and again, I can take these back to the shop and have it all warranted, but do I want it sitting there for 3 months because it's pictures and it's emails and it's all this stuff, and it's just not worth it, man. I took a screw gun and literally just screwed it on. You know, it's not going to fall off again, I can promise you that. And it's just part of it. So, but you have to go through, you have to clean everything really good. And like I said, it always amazes me the stuff that goes wrong with these things from rental to rental, but it's just part of the beast. You know, they're not well built, any of them. I don't care what coach it is, they're just not. So, and you just got to be prepared for it. I mean, so, and don't let your stuff go down. You don't want it down dirt roads. You don't want them. So YouTube, I just want to finish off the video here saying peace out. Thank you guys. You have any comments or anything, just leave them below and I'll get back to you as quick as I can. I don't want to discourage rentals, but you know what you're getting into. That's all you need to know. Anyway, thanks. Peace out. Hope to see you guys on the trail. Thanks. Bye.